I'm just going to simply show you how to save. Save often. There is an auto save feature, but it doesn't always save um, all the time like Google Docs does. So to save, there are two ways to save. You can hit Command S on the keyboard, or you can go up to the top to File, make sure it says Premiere Pro, to File, and then Save. Command S does the same thing. There's also a Save As feature if you want to change the name. You click there if you wanted to change the name and save as a different kind of copy. Make sure that you save it in the also in the correct folder. This is going into the PBS News Story example folder. Make sure you save it in the folder with all of your videos. Okay. When you create your project, you should already have tagged the destination, and you can see the destination up here at the top where I'm moving my mouse. That's the destination of this video project. So again, all you had to do is hit Command S, and all you have to do, or you can hit File, Save in the File menu. That's it.